airplane that flies very well in 60 seconds or less. All you need is an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper. So let's get started. On your mark, get set, go. Fold it in half like so. And open it up and fold the top down, leaving just a little more than an inch at the bottom. Open that back up and fold down to the line you just made. And fold again. Now fold to the center to make triangles like so. Do both sides. And then open those up and fold to the creases you just made. And once you've done that, tuck these layers into the central pocket and lay your model flat like so. And fold it in half on that center crease. Now you just fold the wing like so. And there you go. Open it up and give that thing a throw.